You got a glitch? You want a glitch? It don't matter what you want. You got it. It's my Radionics box. What do you mean? Why is it Radionics? I say it's Radionics. I agree with him. Anybody else in your... I also. Okay. That's 2. Plus me. Generals gathered in their masses. This weird block was in the
They're all fat with their big asses.
bag of Legos. They came
Sad
from
faces
Houston.
cause they've got Biden.
That's 1.
Not a real guy they
And
could
2.
confide in.
Of the original boxes.
Not a copyright version.
Piece parts.
I'm just talking shit in the background. Yeah, them recent storms were manipulated. Conspiracies were going
These
on.
plasma boxes
How
make
do I
good
know?
radionics
I'm
machines.
a prime ingredient in what they call
Especially
red.
if you put the dials in.
Why? None of your fucking business. I'm just sharing. Alright?
I don't need dials if I'm turned all the way up. I'm just
Conspire.
being stupid.
You would think that maybe you need the humans and all their sad faces and and all that different stuff because it translates
just
into
that,
different
though.
hailstorms, lightning, tornadic activity.
Kitty is an add-on to life.
But I
The
didn't see
line
no
that
hail
goes
come
through
down
here into the front
I
corner
got real
out there,
deliberate light, came out on the porch and sat
where
and
I
breathed,
lit and
looked at
immolated
the sky.
my poor lost bird
I didn't see any
that I never even got to
catastrophes
touch.
here. The
until
sky
it was
did look
dead.
crazy.
It broke
That's
my
not
heart.
a
My
thing to
little
brag
feelings.
about because I
I
don't
was
think
so
my
bothered
bubble
that
of
I took this whip
chill
and I
got
whipped
very
that
far
fucking
beyond
rooster.
my gate. But I tried.
And honestly, I don't know
so
if he had anything to do
you
with
didn't
it.
at least try, and didn't even know you could try.
It's the head of
Well,
the head of
there you go.
household in the coop.
One lesson.
I took it out on his ass. I didn't even hit him very hard.
Shut up,
I probably
stupid.
just scared the fuck out of him.
Fuck off my ass.
You know what? That helped me out.
I do it 'cause
Why?
I love it.
Because I'm a cruel motherfucking human.
me?
Can't you tell?
Because that's the only way you'll understand.
Mostly ignorant, depending on whatever mood I'm
funny to me.
drunk on.
Because in a way that's true. But in a way that's
You heard me? Whatever mood I'm drunk upon,
good stuff.
due to my lack of understanding, as I'm carried away with emotions. It's only partially true. We are not ever watching this guy. I don't give a fuck. You don't have the Knight Rider, you just 50% chance of being changed. I don't know why the Germans love him so much. Whoa. Those fucking storms, I watched them show where the hells was, where the hailstorms was, the tornadoes, the lightnings, the town names associated with. That motherfucker was antennaed. I'd give my life. What the fuck? Hold on. Try to ignore the fucking redneck and the chicken. What I'm trying to say is it was about as scripted as it gets. Because when they were really showing the fast track storm, there was town names that was like suggestions. It was very strange. I don't normally see those town names. There was Blue. There was
Yeah, dumbass.
Bo kissing someone. I
For
think was
redneck,
on
'cause
there.
you are dumb.
I thought that I'd never heard that in my life. I was like, what in the fuck? Yes, Bastrop was highly targeted as
Of all those rednecks.
the problem, or they wanted it to be known
the
that
lowest.
Bastrop, if you're watching this, we're doing it. You know that what we do to you. Yeah, they do that. I noticed. I feel like this is going
Probably
on,
told
so
you right.
I don't really care so much anymore. I find
With what?
myself intrigued. I don't think so.
Might say he wanted for Christmas.
What?
Hey, pass. Name an animal you can describe using only physical gestures.
Fucking rabbit.
Name something you hate to do alone. Fill in the blank. Dark blank. Matter. On a scale of 1 to 10, how good a mom was your mother? 10.
Ooh.
Right here. 9. Name something a caveman might say he wanted for Christmas.
The nation's fucking token narcissist. We're almost through. Whoa. Get the fuck out of here. Why do we have so many channels now?
That's why we eat seriously. We chop seriously.
Who?
And shred seriously. And it's why every Tuesday.
Lies. We don't have no such pizza. The Duke. Get it? Whoa. Okay, that's the full circle. So as you can see here, with the technology burning the blue onto the wall, the Schumann resonance, also a radionics device, not just what it appears to be. They give it to you free. Yeah, it came late. They never charged me a shenanigans. Elephant, do you vote? I vote yay. Yay.
Is it
on what?
appropriate for
Advancing humankind
a white man to be
Who
wearing the
can
extremely
pick
large
at least one animal
Steve Harvey suit?
to pretend is like the human he is
Or not.
leaving behind? Agreed.